Imagine having a personal financial assistant that not only helps you manage your expenses, but also provides you with insights to make informed investment decisions. And that's exactly where Notion AI and PayPal come in. Two seemingly unrelated services that have been gaining traction in the financial world, but which one is better suited for your needs? Let's dive into the details. Notion AI is a powerful note-taking app that's been upgraded with AI capabilities, allowing users to create custom financial dashboards, track expenses, and even generate investment reports. It offers a free plan with 5 users, $4 per user per month for the standard plan, and $8 per user per month for the Pro plan. Meanwhile, PayPal is a well-established online payment system that offers a range of financial tools, including invoicing, budgeting, and investment tracking. Its basic plan is free, with a 2.9% transaction fee. The premium plan is $9.99 per month for individuals and $49.99 per month for businesses. When it comes to customization, Notion AI takes the lead, allowing users to create bespoke financial templates and connect with over 2,000 integrations. PayPal, on the other hand, excels in its user-friendly interface and seamless payment processing, making it a top choice for online businesses. So, who's the winner? Notion AI's flexibility and customization options make it a better fit for power users who want to take control of their finances, while PayPal's ease of use and established reputation make it a more suitable option for online merchants and individuals who value simplicity and security.